Have you ever wondered what it's like to travel on the space shuttle and go past Earth's atmosphere? The research scientists do for the space program benefits everyone. For example, the thermometer used in your ear was developed by NASA researchers. When planning space travel, the gains and potential advancements must outweigh the risks and costs involved. A manned mission to Mars, our closest neighbor, has been a goal of astronomers for many years. Current technology is theoretically able to send a manned craft to Mars. The challenge now lies in developing the ability to transport enough fuel to also bring the craft home. NASA works with scientists in all fields to develop technologies that will allow space travel to Mars. One of the biggest obstacles has been funding. 2 rovers are currently exploring the surface of Mars with the mission statement: Number 1, determine whether life ever rose on Mars. Number 2, characterize the climate of Mars. Number 3, characterize the geology of Mars. Number 4, prepare for human exploration. The rovers have dramatically increased our knowledge of the red planet and are leading the way for future human exploration. Although it offers tremendous opportunity, space exploration for humans is dangerous and expensive. When manned spaceflight began, some argued that the benefit of sending humans into space did not justify the risks and cost. People that oppose manned space travel think that robotic missions can produce comparable scientific results without human risk. Supporters prefer that humans act as first-hand observers and explorers on their journeys into the solar system. Rovers have studied the surface of Mars for 14 years. They have recently produced conclusive evidence of liquid water in the planet's history. NASA's plan for the human exploration of Mars began aboard the International Space Station, which is in orbit outside Earth's atmosphere. The most recent test missions have developed longer flight capabilities and continue to expand the technologies currently available. The space environment offers conditions and settings for research that are not available on Earth. The formation and history of stars and other planets can reveal truth about the history and formation of Earth. The true vacuum, absence of matter, that exists in space is better than any vacuum conditions available to scientists on Earth. Learning about the conditions that exist in our universe helps us to learn about our own world. The conditions in space are harsh. This can aid in the development of materials and methods that will be useful here on Earth. The famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant step for mankind," was spoken by astronaut Neil Armstrong. He was the first person to step onto the moon in 1969 on a mission aboard Apollo 11. Space travel has continued for decades, and many developments have progressed in the field of manned space travel. Teflon, which is a non-stick polymer used in pots and pans, was used for covers on spacecraft. Memory foam, used in mattresses and running shoes, was originally developed as padding to improve crash protection. Scientists have determined that Mars had liquid water at some point in the planet's history. Liquid water is one indicator of suitability for life. Future exploration could uncover evidence of life, but the costs of such missions must always be considered, both financial and in human life. Most importantly, there must be scientific value in sending a manned mission to Mars. Medical advancements have also been an important part of human space travel. Manned flights to Mars would both require and provide an even greater understanding of the human body. Astronauts are viewed as heroes by many people, and exploration of Mars has been a goal in national space programs. A mission to Mars could have risks, but this mission could also provide tremendous benefits to our society. A manned mission to the Red Planet could inspire young children to pursue scientific paths in education and provide better information about our own planet. The net result would be improved knowledge and materials, as well as the potential for human settlement away from Earth.